Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here's the look I created using my Pur Festival 2.0 palette that I got in BoxyCharm. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any looks you want to see me do, leave it in the comments. If you want to collab with me, let me know, send me a message, or leave it in the comments. As always, I appreciate your support and stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So I was thinking of what color scheme I wanted to go with because I know I wanted to use purple and I know that I wanted to use this palette. So first off, I'm going to prime my lids using my BH Cosmetics True Complexion Concealer, and I learned my lesson this time and I'm using a brush to apply it to my lids instead because a little bit goes a very long way, and this stuff is highly pigmented and it also dries really fast. So I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender, and then I'm going to furthermore blend it out with a brush. And this dries super fast, and it's good pigmentation, good formula that I don't even need to set it with setting powder like I do with other concealers that I use, which is a plus. But now I'm kind of stuck on that NYX waterproof primer. So I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to take this brown shade here and use it as my transition. I'm just blending that into my crease and blending that up towards my brow bone. Next, I'm going to take this palette here. I forgot the name, but it will be in my description box. I'm going to take that shade there with another blending brush, and I'm going to pack it onto my outer V and blend it into my crease. I honestly thought this shade would show up much darker than it is, but sometimes it looks different on the skin versus on the palette. And then I'm going to blend out my edges with that first shade that I used. Now I have this stamp that I got from Wish a while back and I forgot about it. So I'm going to use this to cut my crease today. It's weird though because I applied it in the same exact spot on this eye, and one eye looks way higher than the other. Look how high this one looks compared to the other eye. Like, so strange. I'm just furthermore blending it out. Now I'm going to go into that purple shade and the blue shade, and I'm just going to pack it on. And I'm going to blend these two colors together. And I'm going to go into those shades that I used previously to blend out my edges. Next, I'm going to take my Sayate First Flicks liner for my wing today. Then I'm going to go back into that shade with the small detailer brush, pencil type brush, to furthermore blend out my edges. And I'm going to use a bigger brush to blend out the edges from my brow bone in transition area. Next, I'm going to use that color as my highlight today for my brow bone. I completely forgot that I had that palette. I got it in the BoxyCharm box a few months ago and I had never used it until today. Next, I'm going into my Maybelline Long Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in Amethyst for my waterline. Then I'm going to take that same blue and purple to smoke out my lower lash line. This step is completely optional, but I felt like this look was missing something, so I'm taking a metallic green eyeliner and I'm just gonna line the top half of my wing just for a little bit of added color. And I'm gonna highlight the inner part of my eye. And I'm going to take my Too Faced Natural Face palette and use for my highlighter today. So even though I'm not wearing any foundation, contour, or blush because I'm wearing this gator mask, I'm still able to highlight and you're able to see that, and it doesn't affect me getting super sweaty because it's not covered, if that makes sense. And for my lips today, I'm taking my Nebula lip liner by NYX to line my lips. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit high shine lipstick, and to be honest, the shade wasn't really going for what I wanted to go with this eye, so I improvised and used shadow on top. I'm going to take this shadow and use a brush and just lightly dab it onto my lips. And then I'm going to take that blue and do the same thing. Alright. And then I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Dry that down with my fan. And that will complete today's look. Really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. And until next time, I will see you in my next video, which should be my soft glam video or my tropical rainbow. I'm not sure which one I'm going to post next. But as always, thank you for watching. Don't be a stranger. Share with a friend. And I love you guys so much. Hope you're staying safe out there. Bye.